Hello, still on similar shapes. Today in this video we are going to look at how to find missing length given two similar shapes. In this case we are given two similar triangles. For example, if you have to find this missing length x. Now there are two ways you can go about this. The first method is for you to find the scale factor. Now the scale factor here is as a result of an enlargement. Now because our missing length is in the bigger triangle, we are going to conclude that this is an enlargement from small to big. Now if our missing length were to be on the smaller triangle, we'll conclude that it's a case of reduction. So in this case we are dealing with a case of enlargement in size from this small triangle to a bigger triangle. That's because the length we're looking for is on the smaller, it's on the bigger triangle. So it's a case of enlargement, and the scale factor for enlargement is always greater than 1. So that's so for example, the scale factor here will be 18 divided by 6. 18 divided by 6 gives us 6 rather, gives us 3. This is 6. Now, so 3 is the scale factor. 3 here means that this triangle has been enlarged 3 times to get this bigger triangle. Now, so it means that 6 has been multiplied by 3, which is the scale factor, to get 18. So also to get x, we are going to multiply 8 by 3 to get x. So x is equals 8 times 3, which gives us 24. Now the second method we can apply to solving this is to equate the ratio of the corresponding sides. Ratio of the corresponding side. Now the corresponding sides here are 18 and 6. So I'm going to write that in fraction or in ratio. So 18 over 6. That's the first ratio of one of the a pair of the corresponding sides. Now on that pair of sides which are corresponding are x and 8. So now because I started with 18, I need to start with x here in writing my ratio. Here I started with 18 over 6 on the bigger triangle. I need to start with x for the smaller triangle. So here I will write down x over 8 as the ratio of these two corresponding sides. Now once we have equated the two, we need to solve. Now I can simplify this to give me 6 in 6 1, 6 in 18 3. Now this gives me 3 over 1. This is 3 over 1 equals to 2, x over 8. Now the next thing I can do here is to cross multiply. Now cross multiplying, I'll get x times 1 gives me x. 3 times 8 gives me what? 24. So I got the same answer. X is 24. So that's how to go about finding missing lengths when you're given two similar shapes.